Hi everyone, I'm Konika from Hobson's Bay Libraries, and I'm so excited to show you how to make your own set of story stones. For those of you who are wondering what story stones are stones with images that are drawn on them, such as these, which are then used as a prompt to tell a story. Oops. So let's get started. So each rock is going to represent an element of my camping story. So first I'm going to have characters in my story. That's going to be my family. So that's me and my husband. There's my son. When we go camping, quite often we see koalas up in the gum trees. So I thought I'd draw a koala from my story to use in my story as a prop. Campfires. And then some of the activities that we engage in when we go camping: fishing and canoeing. And of course, you need a tent to sleep in. So here's my tent all set up. So now you choose your elements to your story and you draw the images or the image on your rock. Once you've done that, like I've drawn you see that? I've drawn my son there with a pencil, and now I'm going to color him in with my crayons. Him blue shorts, and I think I might give him a bright red t-shirt. So you just color that in. I use a mix of crayons and color pencils because that seemed to really work well. So I'm going to color in his hat now. I might use green. See that? Now I'm going to use my black text out to just outline the image. You don't have to do it, but it just makes the image clearer. And there you go. There's my son. Here are my camping story stones. And as you saw, they're very easy and lots of fun to make. And they're a great way to encourage your child's creativity, imagination, and storytelling skills. It's extremely helpful for younger children as it helps them build their vocabulary, communication skills, and helps them in memorizing and sequencing events of a well-known story, such as the Three Little Pigs or Little Red Riding Hood. You can base your stones on fairy tales or themes such as superheroes, dinosaurs, perhaps a day at the beach or an under-the-sea adventure. When you've finished creating your story stones, you can place them upside down or in a bag, and you can play a game of oral storytelling with your family or a friend. To begin the game, you pick a stone and you use the element or the image on the stone in the story. Then the next person picks another stone and uses it to add to the story. It's heaps of fun. Well, thanks for joining me. Happy storytelling with your story stones. Bye for now.